It looks like DJI is ready to drop something big, and these newly leaked schematics, along with renderings from Photo Rumors and Hakasushi, give us a pretty good idea of what to expect. The DJI Osmo 360 might be their next action camera, bringing immersive 360-degree capture to their already impressive lineup. Let's start with the regulatory filings. The Osmo 360 carries the model number OQ001, and it's officially listed under DJI Osmo Technology Company Limited. Plus, those schematics reveal some serious attention to detail. There are dual lenses on both the front and back for that full 360-degree coverage, and check out the front-facing display. It's perfect for vlogging or framing up shots without needing to constantly flip the camera around. Simple control buttons, like power and quick settings, make this setup easy for creators on the move. What's really cool is the attention to the technical details we're getting from the schematics. The camera's got precise dimensions, measuring about 82.71mm in width and a depth of around 47.02mm. It's clearly designed to be compact but functional. You'll also notice antenna placements marked as ANT0 and ANT1 in the images, which seem to indicate that DJI is prioritizing strong wireless connectivity for seamless uploads or live streaming. The testing timeline is pretty recent, running from September 1st to 6, and all the regulatory paperwork was filed right after. This means we could see a release later this year, just in time for the holiday season. So if you're a content creator, traveler, or adrenaline junkie, this could be the 360 camera you've been waiting for. DJI is known for their drones and gimbals, but stepping into the 360-degree camera market is a bold move, and one that feels perfectly timed. With more creators looking to shoot immersive content, the Osmo 360 could become a must-have for action shots and virtual tours alike. So, what do you think? Could the Osmo 360 be your next go-to camera? Make sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss any updates as more info comes out.